Today, Brandaoz will teach you how to create settings in the project window. First of all, open this Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Let's start this video. The first panel is the project window. These tools by used in the video. So Brandaoz will teach tools in the next video. So back focus to this project window. There are two ways to bring the videos. The first step to bring the video, double-click the mouse left button. Second step to bring the video, click mouse left button, click import. Select video. Click open. It is the frame rate of the video. This video frame rate is 29.97. The next step is media start and media end. Video info is 1920 × 1080. You can see audio info and different things. Click the mouse right button, select the bin. Create a new bin. What is the bin? Bin mean folder. You can better choose this folder name. Grab this video and drop it in the folder. You can see this, import videos, and drop them into the folder. Double-click this video folder and you see imported videos. Click the icon view. You can see these videos, which videos I importing. Click back to the project class. Import audio. Create a new bin. I have already told you what is bin. Grab this audio and drop it in the folder. Import second audio and drop audio into the folder. Double-click this audio folder. You can see the audio. Creating folders will be easier for you. You will easily find your videos and audio. You can give different shapes to this folder. You can see this Find button. Click Find and you see different options. You can see this bin, New Items. Click a new item and you can see different options. Click this audio folder. You can see the delete option. Select audio and delete it. This step was taken to show your option. So this was the way to create a setting in your video by using Adobe Premiere Pro. Hit subscribe and ask any question in the comments section below. See you in the next video.